What's up, girl? What is up, YouTube? I'm gonna be installing today a new exhaust. Stick around. Alright, as you can see, I have it all torn apart already. This exhaust will be coming off. I have a 2-to-1 Sawicki speed exhaust that's going on. Alright, I'm gonna start off by taking the heat shields, all the heat shields off of here. That's coming off. Then I'm gonna pull the exhaust. Then we're gonna go the 2-to-1 on. Take it from there. Alright, got these off, got this top heat shield off. I must say these screws back here are a fucking bitch. I got the top one here off pretty good, but that one on the rear it's proven to be a little bitch. But other than that, moving right along. Finally got the damn doors off. This top screw here was a bitch. I end up scuffing my bike up, man. So y'all be careful taking this left top screw off. It's a pain in the ass. Everything else should be pretty easy, but alright, exhaust is on there. Everything's loose. Gotta tidy everything up. But it is on there. Just gonna snug everything up and give you guys a preview of how it sounds. Stick around. Alright, the pipe is on. It's all tidied up. Let's see. I'm gonna fire it up. Show you how it sounds. Bike's all tidied up. Just went out and did a tune on it, and I must say I'm really loving the look on this pipe. It's kind of got like a bronze finish. It looks real good. It's kind of matching the 114 logo, that bronze on the tank. So that's it. Appreciate you guys watching the video. Once again, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. Appreciate you guys, man. Peace.